What's up, Team Huck House? We are mountain biking again today, as you can tell. Put a full face on because I don't want to go over the handlebars. And in today's video, we are ripping beautiful A-Basin. It looks so good right now. I'm so excited to get out there and rip. A-Basin is my favorite trail right now that I'm riding in Summit County because it's like medium level, but if you are good, you can send it a lot. So I feel like there's a lot I can learn off this trail. There is no lift access. You got to pedal up to it. So there's some work you got to put in. So that's good for the dad bod, and overall I'm hyped. But I'm also hyped because today is sponsored. Somehow I keep getting video sponsors for mountain bike videos, and we got Lead Tech with the bike phone holder. This is a handlebar mounted grip phone holder. Now I know for mountain biking and full sending, it's not the greatest to have your phone exposed, because if you eat it, your phone, even if it's on a nice fancy holder, it's still gonna hit the ground. But this is great for anyone that bikes, period, or if you are a mountain biker and you're gonna do some mellow trails and stuff like that, you can then have like your tracking app, or if you're doing Uber Eats or whatnot, you deliver it and stuff, you can slap your phone on this handlebar. So we are gonna full-blown test it on a mountain bike trail, see if it does hold a phone in, and like, you know, if it's gonna bounce up in the air and stuff like that. So Lead Tech, thank you for sponsoring this video and sending us this. Let's install this, let's get up the mountain, let's start ripping. It comes with the tools you need, that's awesome. So it does come with different rubber inserts to kind of match your handlebar to make sure you can get into a spot where it ain't gonna move, and we are nice and tight. We didn't have to use any of the inserts on this bike. Now I'm excited to see how this grip works. You put it on how you want it, and then you twist that guy. Oh dude, this thing is sturdy. And that gives you the option to turn it this way or this way. So I'm not gonna lie, we were product testing, so I will not be using my actual iPhone. It's a product test, you know? So let's test with other products. Now this is a smaller phone than my iPhone, so the bigger the phone, the stretchier the rubber, the more it's grabbing. So this is still in there pretty good. And I just need to tighten that so this isn't going up and down the whole time. All right, we're good to go. Phone's on there. Tools, everything we needed. First test of the mount. Still in there. Even though I'm walking in this section and I'm huffing and puffing, I'm getting in so much better mountain bike shape. I got to pedal up the majority of the A-Basin up, which is to me such a win. Putting in all the work, getting stronger. One day the body will look as athletic as we are, but I had to figure it's best to take a breather before we drop in. Still in there. Alright, made it to the drop in. Catch my breath for a second, and then we're gonna test you out. So this pole is new, so it's a mile ride down. It's downhill only, so you don't have to worry about anyone coming up below you. And it's moderate. That's why I like it. It's a moderate trail. I'm a moderate rider. I think we're good. Let's keep this like puffing and puffing and going. One of the things I like are these little rock jumps. They're all over the A-Basin trail. Trying to work on my turns. I know you're not supposed to break through the berms, but I'm still scared of them. Doing better though. You'd jump that if you were good enough. Oh. Jump right here. Oh. Into a rocky section. That's the phone case. How we doing, phone case? Seems like it's holding up pretty well. Not falling out or anything. Jump here into a berm. So my buddy was saying, don't turn the handlebars, turn your body in berms. Definitely turn the handlebars. That's the only thing that I was saying, like with mountain biking and doing aggressive terrain. So if you were to drop your bike, you have the chance to hitting your phone. But if you're doing like trails, like bike paths and stuff, what just happened to me there isn't a concern for you. Follow that up by saying if you're doing anything with any type of electronics that's extreme, expect a chance that it could get broken. Even this GoPro on my face, I know could get broken. Alright, that berm felt good. Got jump. Oh yeah. Dude, that was like the fastest I ever rode through that section. Oh, here we go. See, if I was flowy, leaning in on all these. Last time I went over this huge rock. I'm not gonna do that right now. Phone's still in. Oh my goodness. Oh, so bumpy. Oh, I'm getting better at just trusting the bike and just hanging on. Oh, so it is wet right now, so it's a little slick, and I still need new pedals for the bike. I'm like feeling myself want to like flow this though, like pump it and like this rocky section. Oh man, this might be the fastest I've ever done this. Which like scares me. I don't want to get too cocky. Everything feels, I can tell it's the fastest I've ever done it because I can't see everything. Like I'm like, oh no, I missed that. Oh, my forearms are burning. We'll go over this rock section. Ooh. Whoa. I swear if my foot wasn't slipping off all the time, I'd be more aggressive. I'm gonna get those new pedals. Oh yeah, that felt good. Oh. Whoa! Berms are the scariest thing on a mountain bike. Oh. I'm feeling full sendy today. Oh. Oh my, I did a 20-mile bike ride the other day and I can feel it today. It's been like 4 days since I did it and oh, I'm still sore. Ooh. And like that, we're at the base. Woo! Phone is still in there. It didn't fall. Squirrel! Man, Team Workouts, I feel good. I'm a little, my arms, my hands are burning, but dude, that was the fastest I've ever done that. I was terrified. The case, the Lead Tech phone holder is still in place. And let's do one more run just to make sure it's there for good. But let's do that thing where we like go up top and we don't have to worry about, you know. All right, we're at the top again. And before we drop, we're gonna turn this guy this direction out. See how it performs this way, just in case you want to be watching like Netflix or Jonathan Buckhouse on YouTube. Subscribe if you're new while you're mountain biking. So we'll do this way. All right guys, I'm excited. Every time we do this one, I feel like we get better and better. And I think when we get new pedals, we'll do great. First jump. Oh yeah. Second jump. Oh yeah. Up the hill. Ooh. No brakes needed. Into the berm. Oh yeah. No braking into that berm. Not into this one. Oh! That was a good one. Oh! Okay, the device did hit a little bit, but because we had it this way and not the other way, it didn't hit as much. Oh, everything got so dirty. I was feeling so confident from the last berm. Everything still feels good, other than it's all dirty and slippery now. Go a little more mellow. It's that false confidence. You start feeling good, and then you start sending a little harder, and then you're like, ah, I'm slipping in the mud, and then you throw everything on the ground. And we can't get hurt mountain biking. We're not going to either. But we're a snowboard channel. We just mountain bike for fun. Whew, oh, didn't do that berm very good. I don't know if you see all these huge rocks that you can jump if you're a lot better at this than I am. Oh, so scary. Oh. Oh. Phone case is still on there. That's such a gnarly rock section. Oh. You can't tell by me freaking out. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, oh my gosh. Dude, this trail is so fun. Oh, bumpy section. Oh, it's still in place. We're ripping. We're going so fast. Slow it down. Ooh. Catch my breath. Dude, this is like, I'm pushing myself, guys. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, this is the fastest I've ever mountain biked. Whoa! I can't imagine being good in this section. You can pop so high. Woo! Whoa! It's so scary. Big jump versus little jump. Oh! Oh man! It's hard not to focus on things like little rocks. Ooh, I can see better this ride. Remember last time I was going so fast I couldn't see? I think if I could adjust it to the speed in which I'm riding. Oh! See, I want to like get flowy in that section. The speed is just terrifying. Hopping over all those rocks is really helping me too with landing and keeping the bike balanced instead of just throwing it or like nose diving. Woo! We fell in that berm twice today, so we got work to do. But man, I feel good after that one. You guys can't tell. I gotta definitely wash my bike and my gloves and my hands. Oh. I wonder how bad the ding on that phone. I was trying to sell this phone, but I sacrificed it for the video. It's also why I didn't use my iPhone. But if it works for you, downhill mountain biking, guys, it will work for Uber Eats, anything else that you're doing. This thing is sturdy and legit. You can tighten that even more. Woo! Watch how easy it is to take it off too. Holds it in that good, comes off that easy. I think I got like a bare minimum nick. Once again, guys, Thank you to Lead Tech for sponsoring this video. This is linked in the description if you want to snag a phone holder, as well as just all of their information, guys, is linked in the description. Support the people, supporting your boy. And guys, thank you so much for supporting your boy, period. You guys are with me on this mountain bike journey. I actually feel like I'm getting better, which is awesome, but we have a long way to go. But that's the whole point of this channel. Keep evolving. We don't have Evolution merch for mountain biking yet. I don't know even what I would even do with that, but I do believe that the summertime, the go-to content is mountain biking if we're not out there snowboarding, which hopefully we are. We're trying to get back out to Hood. We're figuring that thing out. But if you guys want to support the dream, want to support your boy, you can either become a member or a Patreon. Those are linked in the description, or just snag any of the Evolution merch, like the stickers or anything like that. Once again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe if you're new. And with that, Team Outcasts, as always, thanks for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger.